Hi, I'm John McLemore, and it's time to fry a turkey. I'm going to show you the safest and the easiest way to fry your next turkey with the Butterball electric fryer by Masterbuilt. The first step is to make sure that your drain valve is in the off position and the safety cap is properly mounted. Next, it's time to pour in the oil. Masterbuilt has made this product convenient with a max-min fill line, taking all of the guesswork out on how much oil or water you need. Now that the oil is in, simply mount the magnetic cord and turn the temperature gauge to 375 degrees. Now it's time to give the turkey a warm water bath to get rid of any ice crystals or cold pockets. Completely pat the turkey dry with paper towels to get rid of any excess water. Time to inject our turkey. Typically, I recommend 1 ounce per pound of whatever your favorite injectable marinade is. All right, so now that we've got our turkey injected, we're gonna season. Use your favorite seasoning on the outside and make sure you get some seasoning on the inside of that cavity. Here's a quick tip. Spray your basket with non-stick cooking spray to prevent the turkey from sticking. Now we're gonna place the turkey in the basket, give my hands a quick wash before we lower it into the fryer. The oil is set at 375 degrees and the green light indicates that it's ready to go in. Now I always recommend that you wear protective gloves and always lower the turkey in very slowly. Now you can fry up to a 20-pound turkey in this appliance. Today I'm frying an 18-pound turkey at 4 minutes per pound for a total of 72 minutes. Now our turkey is done. Simply hook the basket using the patented drain clips and let it drain and rest. Now that is a good looking turkey. You may have been skeptical, you might have even been scared. But as you can see, Masterbuilt has made frying a turkey not only safe, but incredibly easy. And your results will be this dadgum good.